guys, today I'm going to be doing a DIY slash carpet cleaning video. So I found a video online on how to clean the carpets in your car because the carpets in my car are looking horrible. Some kind of way I have accumulated some type of black scuff marks. I don't even know what it is, but it is just beyond recognizable. I don't know how it happened. It had to have been within a week. And I think it was the last week where we were really just trying to get everything moved out of our rental property into our house. So yeah, it's looking pretty bad right now. So I was desperately trying to find something that would work, that would get all of these black marks out of my carpet. So I came across this video online, and these were the products that were used to clean the carpets. So I did watch the video. It looked like it would definitely work for what I'm dealing with. So I just wanted to kind of come on here and share this concoction and also see if this is actually going to work. So I don't even know if this is going to work or not. I'm hoping it's not a fail, but you guys will find out when I find out. So as you can see, I'm using a measuring cup just so I can measure out each product the way that this guy said that you want to create the concoction. So I have an empty jug. It was actually a bleach jug, but I just poured the bleach that was in here into my bigger jug that I already had. And I just washed it out many times because you don't want any bleach residue, because I don't want my carpets bleached. So I made sure it was thoroughly washed out. I have a funnel just so I can accurately put everything inside this jug. Also, we're going to be using the OxyClean, and then we're going to be using the rubbing alcohol. He said any rubbing alcohol, but I noticed on his bottle it was 70%, so that's why I grabbed the 70%. Ajax is what he used. And he said any window cleaner, as long as it has the ammonia inside. So I got that. And also I got a scrubbing brush, because you're going to need a scrubbing brush to scrub up all of the dirt residue and just help get all of that dirt to the surface. And I got this from the dollar store for $3. I'm gonna go ahead and do the measurements the way that he recommended. So after you've added all of the other products, you want to top it with hot water. And right here, I'm showing you a cap where my husband drilled some holes in there for me. And that's pretty much it. You shake it up and it's ready to use. And this is just giving you more of a close up as to what I'm talking about. I have no idea what this is. I have no clue. This is my Bizzle machine that I'm going to be using to extract the water from the carpets. thoughts would be that I truly believe this worked wonders compared to what it looked like before versus what it looks like now. I would say that this was definitely a success, and I will be using this again more often. I know that I need to do a second treatment on my carpets, but I am thoroughly impressed by this. It definitely works. So if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. And thank you all for watching. And I hope you all have a blessed day.